not so easy, I'll say. Like सबका कुछ ना कुछ struggles तो होता है, and मेरे भी बहुत सारे struggles रहे, and या वो struggle cross करके मैं अभी इधर हूँ, and I'm also an influencer of Siliguri.
Pride means nothing but celebrating yourself. I believe that. We tend so much on uniqueness, difference. There's nothing different about it. When you're a woman, you're a woman. When you're a man, you're a man. So the right to be a particular individual, it's with you. So we're not asking for a right, we're not asking for your support or help, but what we are asking is we're living our life. So pride is just celebrating yourself. No labeling, no gender equality, nothing. It's just celebrating yourself, and that's the beauty of pride.
मैं उसके बारे में जानती थी, मैं उसके हरकत से वो सबसे मैं जान रही थी कि वो क्या है, लेकिन उसको बोलने का मौका मैंने दिया था कि तू खुद से बोल कि तू क्या है और मम्मी को कैसे तू बताएगा। तो बताया, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट, बहुत टफ था उसके लिए, बहुत रोया। तो बस मैं अपने बच्चे को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, वो जैसा भी है मेरा है।
Revolution can't be brought in a day. The Stonewall riots that had happened, that is the reason it took place in June, the Stonewall riots, and there were several activists who were in the forefront of this revolution, and they brought this day forward, and without their efforts, without their bravery, without their courage, we wouldn't have been able to celebrate a queer art exhibition today. We wouldn't have been able to be out and proud and practicing everything that any other typical human being would be, because at the end of the day there are no differences apart from the fact that we are not given rights. Those are the real differences. The differences are that we are not given any rights, and that the other half of society is becoming privileged because we are deprived and we are constantly marginalized. The only difference is that a queer child has to face discrimination and a straight child would not have to face that. That's the difference, and that we have to constantly struggle to just express ourselves and our identity. We have to constantly struggle to even go outside our homes and feel safe. We do not have safety.
For me, pride is just existing. Being queer, being out of the binary, being different as the society claims us to be. For us, just existing and being ourselves and accepting ourselves is probably pride. And for many people, it might be a little like they might object to it, and they might be like, what is the need to be so flashy or to show it out, be out there about your sexuality? You can be you personally or in a closed room. But for many of us, I think we have stayed in closet or in closed room enough. And what is the harm if we are flaunting ourselves? This is our freedom of expression, this is our freedom of speech, and this is a way to show the world that yes, we exist, and for the longest time we have been shut down. So we are here and we are queer.
I'm glad that I'm seeing people are kind of normalizing it now, because there used to be a time when I used to dress feminine and I used to go out. People used to be like, what the hell is happening here, okay? And now people are like, oh, they exist. So I'm glad that they're slowly at least accepting our existence.
हाँ, मैं ये मैसेज देना चाहती हूँ कि इस वजह से क्या होता है कि बहुत बच्चे घर से दूर हो जाते हैं, माँ बाप को बोल नहीं पाते, कुछ कर जाते हैं और डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर फैमिली, हर माँ बाप सपोर्ट करे बच्चे को, बच्चा जैसा है उसको वैसे एक्सेप्ट करे, ताकि वो अपने आप को दुनिया के सामने ढाल सके, है ना। जैसे वो लोग बहुत दुनिया से भागते हैं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि दुनिया उसको एक्सेप्ट करे, है ना। मम्मी पापा अगर एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो समाज को एक्सेप्ट करना ही है। तो बस मैं यही मैसेज है।
I would say first of all, like, it's as a person, as a human being, it's not about pride, it's not about anything else, it's about you. First of all, establish yourself, because until or unless you are not established or staying on your own, feeding yourself and paying your bills and all, you won't be able to fight with people, because it might be possible your family members will not support you, your friends will not support you. A lot of time happens that family members like just throw their like childs and all. So it's like very difficult thing for a child who is not working professionally. So I just want ki stand on your feet, work, pay your bills and do whatever you want, because उसके बाद शायद आपको रोकने के लिए कोई नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि आप अपना कमा रहे होगे, अपना खा रहे होगे.
First example is a mother. When a mother is in a labor, she's delivering a child. You know the amount of pain it goes, right? You know the pain, you know the struggle, you know the medication that comes with it. But at the last, when she actually delivers a child, what is the outcome? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So it means you will have pain no matter what. Pain is universal. But then what comes after pain is such an important emotion for everyone that has to be nurtured. Also, you know sun, right? Sun, the sun is right above in the sky, shining bright. You like the sun when the weather is pretty cold because it gives you warmth. You don't like the sun in summer because it might provide you heat. But that doesn't matter. The sun is sun at the last. You like it, you don't like it, it is going to shine up there. So all of the one who are listening to me, watching, guys, it's time that you be yourself. You don't have to come out. It's nothing like come out of the closet. It's just be yourself. You're breathing. It's a very normal thing. Be strong. Financially independent is something that you've got to be. And even if you're fighting with your parents, trust me, go in the right direction, go in the right path. They will accept you because you know you are beautiful.
Someone from our community was harmed. Someone from our community had to face death threats. During our last Pride, our entire organization faced death threats. So even though we are moving forward, we are also seeing that these advancements are taking a lot of time to come, because the society has to move forward with us. We can't do it alone.
Yes, we have been doing this for quite some time. Siliguri Pride Walk has been doing the marches, the queer carnivals. We are organizing this for quite some time. And even if we are changing one person's opinion, that is a big change.
Yeah.
So I don't know how many people we could change or make us accept, but I'm sure people's viewpoint has changed a little bit. But there's a lot to do, a lot to do.
Coming out is a personal choice, and only do it once you are safe, once you're financially independent, because we are also in this state where we are depending on our families a lot, and a lot of times when people come out, they have to face a lot of financial struggles. We have seen people being kicked out of their houses. We have seen worse. We have seen children being disowned, and other sorts of abuse like conversion therapy, other sorts of totally, there's like oppressive practices. So as we are making these events, we are making this possible, I think the message would be that you don't have to come out to come to this event. You don't have to come out to be a part. You can be in the closet. You can still be here if you want to, and you're always welcome here. And if you are making the decision to come out, then we are here for you. We see you. We see the struggle, and more power to you.